What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mbaise. I am talking about the coronation of Kanayo Kanayo. It went down wonderful in Mbaise, and we had the likes of Vintage Interior. We had the likes of the CEO of Splendid Furnitures and the rest of other top big boys. They were all present to witness the coronation of Kanayo Kanayo. Even the CEO of Vintage Interior too was there. We're all there present to support their big brother Nai Sacre One in the city of Mbaise in Owerri. Anyway, that's the highlight I'll be bringing here. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Cubana chief priest made money rain all through during the coronation. You know he's the chief priest, and he will always come out for such things and make them go solid. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Congratulations to Kanayo Kanayo on his newly acquired title. Well, I don't know what is really so precious about acquiring a chieftaincy title and getting a befitting coronation. Well, maybe when I get to that level, I will understand why they always insist on getting a coronation after achieving so many things. We all know Kanayo Kanayo opened his mansion recently in Mbaise in Owerri, and it all went down well. And this one again is another big win to him. Congratulations. Don't forget to drop a comment congratulating him. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.